Lately, my husband and I have been getting into trading cards, and the more we got into it, we found a huge pain point. We have all these beautiful graded cards, but no universal display case to show them off. And if you didn't know already, card grading is a process of evaluating trading cards to assess their condition, and most people do it for protection, display, authenticity, and increased value. And when you grade them, they call these slabs. Now, normally we store our slabs in a case like this, but the downside is that they're hidden in a box. If I want to look at them, I have to take them out, then put them back when I'm done. I wanted a way to display all of my prized cards, but couldn't find any good solutions. I looked at other displays online, and while I did find some that work for PSA graded cards, there was nothing that would work for all of the graded slabs. Because even though these slabs look like they're the same size, they're actually slightly different. So if a display is designed to fit PSA graded cards, other ones will either slip out or won't fit in it at all. That's when I sensed a business opportunity. I knew that if I had this problem, then I'm sure thousands of other people did too. So I sketched out a simple design concept. This would be a 3x3 display with modular inserts so that it can perfectly fit every type of graded card. And if I could turn this into a real product, then I could probably make some extra money. But how would I actually bring this product to life? I've never made something like this before. I don't do product design. I don't know how to use software like CAD. Even if I made the plans, I don't have any factory connections and don't know anyone who could make this for me. So even with the plan, my dream is dead, right? Well, not in 2026, because we have Accio 2.0, the world's first AI sourcing agent just launched by Alibaba.com this January. It doesn't just chat, it actually builds businesses. So let's see if we can turn this idea into a real product in under 10 minutes. Since I don't have any sketches, measurements, or design files, I'm just gonna go on Accio 2.0 and try to design my product from scratch. I'm gonna click on New Chat to get started. Help me make a 3x3 display case for my PSA graded slabs that can also fit other companies' graded slabs like CGC, Tag, Beckett, and more. And then I added more here. So this part is important. I'm not asking for a concept, I'm asking for a production-ready design that a factory can actually build. And this is one of the features that differentiates Accio from other AI tools. Most would just give you an image with no thoughts on how it can be built in the real world, but Accio keeps going. So if we look at the results, we can see the actual dimensions of the product. Internal widths, height ranges, tolerance allowances. This is what would allow one product to fit PSA, CGC, and tag slabs in at the same time without guessing or forcing it. Alright, here it's recommending what materials to use for this: acrylic, ABS with thickness, finish options, and durability trade-offs. These suggestions are not just what looks good, but what makes sense to a manufacturer at scale. And this is the bill of materials right here, which is every component needed to produce the product. This is what the manufacturers expect, and knowing this will help you negotiate with them down the line. All right, this is where it stops being an idea and starts being a product. It'll show you the assembly logic and construction steps so you know what it takes to be made production ready. So as you can see, I didn't need to know CAD, 3D modeling, or manufacturing engineering, but with Accio 2.0, I was able to bring my ideas one step closer to reality. With such a complete tech pack, I already feel confident that we could bring this to the real world, but finding the right manufacturer can be a pain. Normally, I would have to go online and open dozens or hundreds of tabs and still not connect with someone with the right price and experience. So I asked Accio if it could help me source suppliers for this product. We're gonna look for someone who can do custom acrylic display case manufacture with low MOQ. If you didn't know already, MOQ means minimum order quantity, and we want it low for the first batch because we haven't tested if this product does well or not. If it's a success, we can order more in the next batch to reduce our cost per unit. Okay, so now I see a couple of different tabs popping up: Alibaba.com, 1688, AliExpress, and even some global manufacturing sites. So this is the best part. Instead of opening 100 tabs on Google and manually chasing people, Accio pulls the best suppliers across the entire web into one view. I can see their credibility and compare their prices all within the platform. I'm gonna select these 3 top rated factories and click send inquiry to get quotes immediately. This is exactly what you need if you're thinking of selling your own products. At this point, all I have to do is pick a few that I think would work for me and start contacting them to see if they would be interested in making my product. By the way, the listed prices are just their suggested price, and I found that you can negotiate them on some of the terms, so don't be afraid to talk to them and see where they can be flexible. Before Accio 2.0, I would have needed to do most of this manually, hired expensive consultants and engineers, and had foreign contacts to bring my product to reality. Now I'm able to take my idea and turn it into an actual business in 10 minutes. Accio 2.0 is built for product-first entrepreneurs who want to move fast and skip the technical headaches. If you have a product idea and want to turn it into something real and possibly earn some extra money, I'll drop a link in the description so you can get a free trial of Accio 2.0. Thanks for watching, and let me know what awesome products you plan on making down in the comments below.